going on, guys? Alex here, and I hope you guys enjoyed that cold start here in my parking garage. Today, we're out here. We're gonna go to a Cars and Coffee. If you guys do not know, I finally moved to Seattle. Yes, let's go. I can finally make so much more content for you guys. But yeah, as I was saying, we're going to a Cars and Coffee down in Lake Washington. So yeah, we're gonna meet up with some homies, and we're gonna have a good time today. So let's follow along, guys. Let's do it. Alright guys, so the homie Sav just pulled up, and he's got his beautiful, what year is this again?
2000.
2000? Tell me a little bit more about the car, man. What's going on?
So I got, it's a Coyote. So this one's a Coyote swap actually.
Okay.
Gen 1 Coyote swap. I got the Mach 1 lip, headlights, and the build delete. Got some Cosmos racing wheels with some R888s. Got hook up. I got 315 in the rear and 265 in the front.
Ooh, some meat.
Yeah.
It needs it, huh?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
I just ordered some seats and a harness and stuff for the interior. The interior's trash, but yeah,
man.
that's about it.
Sorry, did I interrupt the interview with my VTEX, not a Mustang V8?
Oh shit.
I'll pop the hood.
Yeah, pop the hood for me, man. Let me see what's good.
Pop the hood.
Ooh, look at this.
Yeah, I made a 424 at the rear wheel.
Damn. That's crazy, man. Look who showed up. The boy, Dennis. Ooh, absolute beautiful Jade RSX that he's got going on here. Ooh, goodness. Hey. The sun is making this look super orange, but it's not actually like this. So we got my car. We got a new homie right here that we just met at Krispy Kreme's. What's going on, brother? What's going on, brother? We got the homie Shav's Coyote swap. We got the homie Dennis's RS. Oh, it'll focus. We got the homie Dennis's RSX over here. And we got the homie Raj. Raj, what did you just buy, brother?
I just bought a 2028 Toyota Corolla XC. 6-speed manual.
How you like it, man?
Fucking amazing, dude.
It's amazing? Yeah. Nice, brother. Look at this thing.
Trust me, this is the slowest one here.
Exactly.
I'm just roasting it.
This is really nice, man. I really like the hatch, not gonna lie. I'm normally not like a hatch dude, but this is actually really nice. Alright guys, right now we just made it up to Lake Washington Cars and Coffee. Right now we're just gonna look around and have a good time. So I'll show you guys probably some of the cooler cars that I see up in here. But yeah, we're just gonna have a good time today. Right, Raj? Yeah. Look at this beautiful Type R that we just came across. We got the Porsche crew out here. Look at all these guys. Okay, I see it. I love the back of these cars so much. Look at this custom license plate. Look at this. That's sick. And U.S. veteran. Thank you for serving. For any of you guys that actually know me, you guys absolutely know that I love these Broncos so much. One day I really want to restore them. This thing is so beautifully done. Look at this. Look at the interior. Everything on this is perfectly done. It's amazing.
No, absolutely not. But
Camera, we say slam life on this. Look at this fitment. Whew. That's beautiful. Manny, where you at, bro? Look at this dude's fitment. Oh, Manny, come on, brother.
You gotta get to this level, Manny.
You gotta get to this right here, man.
The low life. It is.
What do you think, Sam?
Let's see how much the suspension sags right now.
Oh, this is gonna go down. Oh my god.
That's right. You watched it.
Hey!
That's a perfect fit, dude.
That's perfect fit.
All right, so that might be your next car then. All
Oh,
right.
I'm buying a Mini now.
We need to get one now.
Next purchase, bro. Selling the Mustang.
5-0. Yeah, sell the Mustang. Next purchase. There we go, baby. Yeah, I heard. Oh my god.
You guys know I got a sweet spot for orange in my life. Manny, bro, I'm telling you, come down here. You can join the Beamer gang.
Oh my god.
Jesus
Christ.
Guys, in the comments down below, let me know if I should get a puppy. Let me know if you guys want to see a puppy down there.
Yes, you should.
I should get a puppy?
Yes.
Yeah?
Definitely. Oh my gosh. So cute. Is this a rat terrier?
You're so cute. You're cute, aren't you? Hi. Oh my goodness. What's going on, buddy?
His name is Turbo.
Turbo? Guys, in the comments down below, let me know if I should get a puppy,
boy,
man.
aren't you, huh?
What's up? Hey.
Alright guys, so we just did some roll racing. Let's just say this bad girl right here took me to freaking Gapplebee's, man. How you feel, dude?
Feel pretty good. Hard work paid off.
Hey, you gave that blue one the smoke too, huh?
Yeah, that blue one wanted the smoke too. He said, "Oh shit, old ass Mustang."
Don't worry, Rod.
Yeah, man. Me and Dennis were going at it, but I gotta drop another gear, man. I said, me and Dennis are gonna go at it again, and then we'll see.
Not bad.
This thing's pretty fast though, man. I'll give you that.
It's alright.
It's pretty fast, man.
I'll get there. I'll be faster than you one day, you know.
Dennis is filming all this on his freaking GoPro over there, so.
I'll send you over.
All right, perfect,
All
man.
Raj, he likes big nuts.
How do you use your phone in a forest?
He sucks on it really good. Oh, hi, Raj. That lined up.
Okay. Dream team, baby. Dream team. That is gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment something down below. I'm sorry I didn't film too much of this last part. It was pretty much just all of us going to Mexico, as you would say. And yeah, so that was just one of these days. We were all just having fun, you know? So Dennis will hopefully send me that footage so you guys will be able to see it in the either before, yeah, I'll probably put it before. But yeah, guys, if you guys did enjoy, please make sure to go check out my homie Dennis's channel. I'm gonna link it up here. You guys probably already know Dennis, but go get that man, go follow him, or go subscribe to him. Follow me on Instagram so you guys can keep up with what I'm doing. And yeah, guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.